Hello everyone. Today I'll start with class 10 coordinate geometry problems related to area of triangle. Area of triangle. So we'll start with the questions. I already gave you the introduction part. You can see the introduction part, area of triangle. I'm going to start with exercise 7D. Now, I told you that if there are three vertices, A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3, then area of triangle ABC is nothing but half inside the modulus. What you have to do, I already gave you the clue also here, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and then write down the first one again, x1, y1. Cross this, subtract the cross this, or cross this, subtract the cross of this, or cross this, subtract the cross of this. This way I gave you, or I gave you another way also, like 1, 2, 3 method. 1, 2, 3 equals to, if you write here x1, after x1 what comes? After 1 comes 2 and 3. You write here y2 minus y3 plus, if you write here x2, you write here y3 minus y1 plus, if you write here x3, you write here y1 minus y2. This is the way I gave you. So obviously half is there inside the mode side. You can follow any method here. It's up to you. This way also is easy. Here x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is one thing. Plus, this is inside the mode only. x2 y3 minus x3 y2. Cross this, subtract the cross of this. Plus x3 y1, cross this, subtract x1 y3, and close this. This is area of triangle ABC. Remember, this is area of triangle. Now, if A, B and C are collinear, means they lie in the same line, then what do we have? Area of triangle ABC equals to 0. This thing I explained in detail in the introduction part. You can check the introduction part. Now we'll start with the exercise. We'll not waste our time here. We'll start with the exercise. If you haven't gone through the introduction part, please go through it. Otherwise you'll not be able to understand. Now, first question in exercise 7D. The first question, I'll write here, exercise 7D. The first question, find the area of the triangle. We have to find the area of the triangle whose vertices are, okay, sub number 1. We have to find out area. Vertices are given, sub number 1, 5, minus 7. This is one vertex. Second vertex is minus 4, minus 5, and the third vertex is 4, 5. Okay, these are the three vertices. We have to find out the area of the triangle. Remember, three vertices makes one triangle. Okay, in a triangle there are three vertices only. This one, this A, B and C. You can take it, this one as A, 5, minus 7, B is minus 4, minus 5, and C is 4, 5. You can take like this. And what will you write here? Solution. Now, area, first, directly you can start area of, or you can do one thing here. You can name the vertices here. Let A, 5, minus 7. I am writing let because nothing was given. Letters were not given. So I have to write let A this B minus 4 comma minus 5 and C 4 comma 5 be the given vertices. Be the given vertices. See, let given, these are the things which you have to take care. If ABC was already given, I would write here given. Okay, or here. Now what will I do now? I will write down here 5 minus 7. Remember x1, y1. Here minus 4 minus 5 and here 4, 5. Write down the first again here 5 and minus 7. Now cross this, subtract the cross. Cross this, subtract the cross. Cross this, subtract the cross. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is equal to half here. Open a modulus sign. 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. The formula is minus here. So minus into minus is plus. 7 4s are 28. So this will be minus 28 only because minus sign was already there. Plus. Minus into plus is minus. 5 4s are 20. Minus is the formula here. 4 into minus 5. Minus in plus into minus is minus. So there is already minus. So it will become plus. 4 5s are 20. Plus new one more. 4 into minus plus into minus is minus. 4 7s are 28. Minus is the formula. 5 5s are 25. Is positive only. So it will become minus 25. Close this. Close the modulus. Equal to half. So minus 25 minus 28. Okay, you have to add these two. Minus and minus we add. Sign is minus. And this becomes 3. This becomes 53. And here plus sign. Minus 20 plus 20 is 0. And here is again plus. How much is this? Again same thing. Here plus sign, but this output will be minus. So I can write directly minus here because this will give you minus 53. There is a plus. Plus into minus is minus. And 53 here. Very simple. And equals to half. Minus 53 minus 53. You have to add. It becomes minus 106. See, there is a use of modulus. Modulus sign mean we are interested in the numerical value, not in the sign. Okay, absolute. You can say this one is absolute or mod. Okay, modulus sign. If there is a negative, when you take out of the modulus sign, it will be positive. We are interested only in the number, not in the sign. And area cannot be negative. 53. So which is equal to 53 square units. Don't forget to write square units. So this is area. Very simple way. So you can try sub number 2, sub number 3. Sub number 2 and sub number 3. I'll just give you roughly 6, 3, minus 3, 5 and 4, minus 2. This is sub number 2. Sub number 3 is 1, 2, minus 2, 3 and minus 3, minus 4. Okay, these are two questions which you have to try it by yourself. I'll go to question number 2. See, same type, and without wasting our time, we'll go to next sum. So then we'll do maximum sum. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2, what is the question? Find the area of the quadrilateral. So this time quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 vertices. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are. Okay, vertices are given. We have to find out the area of the quadrilateral. So remember, I'll write here quadrilateral. Okay, not triangle, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has 4 4 vertices, and I haven't given you the formula for 4 vertices, but don't worry. Thought number 1, 0, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3 and 0, 3. So let me draw one quadrant. This is a solution. I'll just give a letter to it. Let 0, 0, this is one, I'll give it A, comma, B, 6, 0, comma, C, 4, 3 and D, which is 0, 3, be the given vertices. Okay, so for our convenience, let me draw here one quadrilateral, 4 sides. So I'll write here A here is 0, 0, here B 6, 0, here C 4, 3 and here D 0, 3. But I haven't given you any formula for this. But don't worry, a quadrilateral, if you draw one diagonal here, it is divided into 2 triangles. Okay, so that is our concept here. We will draw one, we'll join these 2 and we have 2 triangles. I have to find out area of this quadrilateral. That means I can simply find out area of this triangle and area of this triangle, add them up, it becomes area of a quadrilateral. So this triangle area will find and this triangle area will find. We know that method. No need to use for separate method for this quadrilateral. Same method we will use. Join DB. Okay, or you can join AC also. It's up to you. Join DB. Therefore, area of quadrilateral. What is the quadrilateral here? ABCD. ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Same thing. Area of triangle ABD plus BCD. These 2 area, if I add them up, then I will get the area of this whole quadrilateral. So I'll find out separately for this. It's like 2 questions mixed together. Don't worry. First I'll find out area of this triangle and then I'll find out area of this triangle. You can just pause the video because there is no space. First I'll concentrate for this and then this one. Add them up. I'll get the required area of quadrilateral. So you can pause the video. I just need only this part. Okay, now I will write here, you can write like this, 4 triangle ABD, and here I will write 4 triangle BCD. These are the 2 things, for triangle ABD and for triangle BCD. For triangle ABD, I will write 0, 0, 6, 0, C. A, this is the B, and now D, 0, 3. Write down the same thing again down, 0, 0. I'll go here. BCD, 6, 0, 4, 3 and then 0, 3. Write down the same thing here, 6, 0. Okay. So I don't need this part also now. Therefore, area of triangle ABD. I'll find out for triangle ABD and separately this one and then I'll mix them up. Equal to, or now I'll write now, okay? Now area of triangle ABD equals to half, open a modulus sign, cross this, subtract across this, cross this, subtract across, cross this, subtract across, 0 zeros are 0, minus is the formula, 6 zeros are 0, okay? Here plus sign, 6 threes are 18, minus 0 zeros are 0, plus sign, 0 zeros are 0, 0 threes are 0. Here half, here 0, we are left with only 18. and modulus of 18 is 18 only, as it is positive. Answer is 9 square units. Things are clear? Area of triangle ABD is 9. I will write here 9 so that later it will be easy. So this is area of triangle ABD. Now I'll go for area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. BCD. This half part is same. Half, open a bracket, 6 3s are 18 minus 4 0s are 0 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 0 3s are 0. 0 zeros are 0 minus 6 3s are 18. Close this. Now this becomes half. 18 12 minus 18. 18 plus 12 minus 18. Because 18 minus 0 is 18. 12 minus 0 is 12. 0 minus 18 is minus 18. Plus into minus is minus. Plus 18 and minus 18 cancel. And we are having 12. Here half is multiplied. Because modulus of 12 is 12 only. So this becomes 6. So this is 6 square units. Now we got both this is 6. For this triangle the area is 9 and for that triangle the area is 6. Now if I add them up, that will be the area of quadrilateral as mentioned earlier. Now you can pause, just write down the final answer. Therefore area of ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD equals to 9 plus 6. So this makes 15 square units. Don't forget to add the units, square units. Area is always in square units. So this is how you have to do it. So quadrilateral case also same case. So I'll write down the two more sub numbers. So you can try it by yourself. Sub number 2, the question goes like this. Vertices are like this. Question is same, only area, find the area of quadrilateral. Minus 2, 4. Sub number 3. 1, 2. 6, 2. 5, 3. And 3, 4. Those who are facing problem, please let me know. So these are the two questions which you have to try a bit by yourself. And please let me know whether you could do it or not. Now this is question number 2, done. Now question number 3. Question number 3, what is the question? Show that the following points are collinear. Okay, there are 3 points given to you and then we have to show that those points are collinear. Okay, to show any points as collinear, prove that their area equals to 0 by area formula. By distance formula we have already learned. But we are following now area formula. So there are 3 points. Now this is a question based on collinear. We have to prove they are collinear. That means we have to prove that area of triangle equals to 0. We have to prove that. We'll find out area of triangle and we'll keep on solving and at last we'll get 0. If you get 0, the 3 points or the given points are collinear. Now I'll go to sub number 3. I'll give you what is sub number 2, 1 and 2. Minus 5, 1, 5, 5 and 10, 7. I have to prove that these 3 are collinear. Remember, we have to prove they are collinear. So another question number 4, we'll see. There is another type of question. We have to use equal to 0 in question number 4. But this time we have to prove that they are collinear. That means we have to prove equal to 0. Now, this is solution, let A minus 5, 1, B 5, 5 and C 10, 7 be the given points. Prove that the following points are collinear. Be the given points. If they give you vertices, Then you write vertices be the given points. Here is points, so I'll just writing points only. Now area of triangle ABC equals to half. Then again the same concept I'm doing here. Minus 5, 1, 5, 5, 10, 7, minus 5, 1. So minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. Subtract 5 ones are 5. Plus 5 sevens are 35. Minus 10 fives are 50. Plus 10 ones are 10. Minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. So this is already minus, it will become plus 35 here. Half here, minus 25 minus 5 is minus 35. And here 35 minus 50 is minus 15. Minus 15 into plus is minus 15 only. And here 10 plus 35 is 45 plus 45. And minus 35 plus minus 15 is minus 45, and plus 45 is already there. Minus 45 plus 45 0. 0 into half ultimately comes to 0. Then what did we get? Area of triangle ABC is 0. That means they are not enclosing any area. If they are not enclosing any area, the 3 points lie in a straight line, in a same line. They lie in the same line. That's why they are not enclosing any area. That means they are collinear. Okay. So I'll write here. Since area of triangle ABC equals to 0, thus the given points are collinear. So this is how you have to conclude it. It's not that you know how to solve. You should know how to write also. It's very important in maths. If you simply know how to solve, okay, knowledge point of view is good. But in order to get good marks, you should know how to conclude and how to start. These are the two things which is very, very important. Don't neglect it. Presentation is very important. Since area of triangle equals to 0, thus the given points are collinear. We have to prove they are collinear. Okay? So this is very simple. The same concept we are using again and again. Area of triangle, that same concept. Very simple. Now sub number 1 and sub number 2, I leave it to you. Sub number 1 is 2, 5, 4, 6, 8, 8. Okay? Show that the area is 0. They will become collinear automatically. 0, 1, 1, 2 and minus 2, minus 1. Okay? So these are the two questions which you have to try by yourself. And if you are not getting, please let me know. Otherwise, I will take it as granted that you know how to solve. Okay, you can pause this video to note down the question. Those who don't have the textbook. Now I will solve question number 4. What is question number 4? Let me just read out. Find the value of P. We have to find out the value of P, for which the given points are collinear. For which the given points are collinear. This time we are not asked to prove they are collinear. We are asked to find out the value of P, for which the given points are collinear. What is the value of P so that the given points are collinear? I can say in that way also. Find out the value of P for which the given points are collinear. That means this time I am not going to prove equal to 0. I have to use equal to 0. Because to find out any unknown, no? Suppose I say x plus 1. Find out what is x. Can you find out? You cannot find out. Find out what is x. Not possible to find out. Why? Because I have only one side. Now I say equal to 5. Now what is x? Very easy. X is equal to 4, you can say. 5 minus 1. Because now what happened? I have the right side, I have the left side. I have an equation. To find out any unknown, I need left hand side and right hand side. Like variable, missing term. I need left hand side and right hand side. So for that particular reason only, find out the value of p for which the given points are collinear. So I have to use that concept that what should be the value of p so that they are collinear. I don't have to prove equal to 0. I have to use it as equal to 0. Okay. So sub number 1. Remember our question. A minus 1 comma 3, B 2 comma P and C 5 comma minus 1. Okay, I have to find out the value of P. Remember P is here. This. I have to find out this P for which they are collinear. I have already ABC, so no need to write. Let ABC already we have. Okay. Now see how I start. The given points are collinear if area of triangle, because ABC given, no, area of triangle ABC equal to 0, which implies, see, I don't have to prove equal to 0, I have to use left hand side and right hand side now, which implies half equal to 0. So I have what to write here, you know. I am using here minus 1, 3, 2, P, 5 minus 1, minus 1, 3. Cross this, minus 1 into P is minus P, minus 2 3s are 6, plus 2 into minus 2 is 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 5 into P is 5P, plus 5 3s are 15, minus sign, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, so already minus become minus 1. So there is a half here, this half I can cross because I have to use right hand side. This half, as these are multiplied, this half will go up, this 2 will go up here and will multiply with 0, it will become 0. So we are interested only the inside part now. Now minus P minus 6 as it is. Now this is also minus 2 minus 5P because plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, and plus 14 here because 15 minus 1 is 14 equal to 0. Implies here, don't use equal to here, implies. So things are clear, I hope so. This 2 goes up and multiplies with 0, it becomes 0, remember. These two are product cases, this can go up. Cross multiplication. Now I'll rub this part. So throughout I have to use equal to 0, here implies, okay. Now let me see, minus P minus 5P. Minus P minus 5P is minus 6P. Minus and minus we add and the sign is minus. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 14. Minus 8 plus 14. We have to subtract, okay. It is 6 plus 6. We have to subtract, but it is plus 6 because 14 is bigger, it has plus sign. Okay then, implies, this also implies. Now see, this modular sign is not that this negative will become positive. It's not possible. I have to remove this modular sign just because as a whole it may come positive or negative, we don't know. Okay, so I am just removing this one. It's not that this will become positive. No, only one term, if it comes out of the mode, it becomes positive. This is at 2 terms here. Okay, in order to shift this one that side, I have to remove this modular sign. So it's removed. Now it is minus 6P equals to minus 6. Plus 6 goes that side. And P becomes what? Equal to minus 6 by minus 6, which is equal to 1. Therefore, P is equal to positive 1. P is 1. So this is how you have to solve. Alright then.